In terms of expanding capacity, what we're talking about here is titration. So titration is when the vet said to us, this is about a month ago, hey, your dog's got really bad allergies. We got to give him this medicine. You're going to give him half a pill every other day for a week, then half a pill every day for a week, and then a whole pill after that. That's titrating. That's working our way towards something. Here's your window of tolerance, and it's very narrow, and we're wanting to widen your window of tolerance, right? We're wanting you to be able to tolerate more while staying integrated and regulated, so that something that is currently outside your window of tolerance will later be inside your window of tolerance. Well, how in the world do we do that? What you do not want to do is just jump way up here. That's too much too fast. That's going to reinforce the trauma. Instead, you're going to go right to the edge and back down, right to the edge and back down. And guess what eventually happens? Your nervous system goes, don't. Oh, okay, we lived, but don't do it again. Please don't try that again. Don't do it again. Oh, hey, we lived again. But that was only twice. Oh, you're going to do it again. Oh, well, that's 3 times in a row. Well, maybe it's not that big a deal. So then when you approach it, maybe that 4th time, oh, you know what? I can go a little bit further than I could before I get that to that edge. And then I come back down. But I have to keep pushing myself. So you have to moderate your risk by knowing and finding your own edge. It's not fair what I'm about to say. I want to 100% acknowledge that it's not fair. The reality is that if you don't make yourself a little bit vulnerable, and by I mean a little bit, not a lot, not way up here vulnerable, a little bit vulnerable, you're not going to expand your window of tolerance and get to a place of a healed nervous system. It's not going to happen. No one else can do it for you. Now, the person you're being vulnerable with needs to be demonstrating that they're safer than they used to be and that they're committed and that kind of thing. But there is no way to avoid you making yourself vulnerable and doing this healing work in that relationship. Or you can leave the relationship or not have any connection in the relationship. Like, those are the options. But the one who did the betraying will never be so safe that it doesn't require some vulnerability on your part initially. Never. That's just not how the nervous system works. He could absolutely, literally be doing every single thing perfect and just right and become the safest person in the world. And you will have to make yourself vulnerable for this healing to happen. But you have to moderate it. And you have the right to moderate it, to know your edge and define your edge, and to go to your edge and then pull yourself back, and to find if that edge is moved and then pull yourself back.